My interest in the automotive field came out of the fact that when I was a young child, I was doing lawn service work, and my lawnmowers would break, and I'd lose all my week's profits getting them repaired. So I realized I need to start working on these things to keep my money. And so I learned very quickly that I had a mechanical skill of being able to take things apart, figure out what's wrong with them, and put them back together again. And then as I got older, I'd morphed that from lawnmowers into automobiles, and I just love cars. I don't know why I had a passion for cars, but I have a passion for cars. And just enjoyed working on them and tinkering with them. And so that's why I started studying mechanical engineering at Georgia Tech, because I thought, okay, I'm going to be involved in the auto industry. I knew I could fix things. I said, well, that's just a nice mix of me being able to fix things and my passion for cars and my passion for helping people. So I put the three together, and it's worked out very well. It's been a great ride for me. What we've tried to do to make ourselves unique is, over the years, try to differentiate ourselves from other repair shops. And there's an old saying that says, if you're not growing, you're dying. So as the industry has changed over the years, whereas before in the 80s, people would drop their cars off and go, just call us when it's ready, no rush, whatever. Now there's so much demand and so many people out there repairing cars that people want it yesterday. They want me to pick up their cars at their home. They want me to pick up their cars at their office. They want loaner cars. So we try to do all of that to be different from other repair shops where you just drop your car off, and we have people on staff that will run customers home or to work. We answer our telephones. We don't make people go through voicemail to get to us. And the other thing that we do is, when your car comes in, we give it a full inspection each time and report to you, because there's no longer full service gas stations and no one looking under the hood. Very few people even look at their own tires, so that we give a report to the people on every car that comes through and let them know and let them make the decision as to where they want to put their money and how much they want to put into their car. But at least this way they know the condition of their automobile and get a full synopsis of where their car is at. The services that we provide over the years have more from just initially doing tune-ups and brakes and minor repairs and then some heavy repairs, and we have become a full-service repair center, and we do everything from plug a tire to replace an engine. We do alignments. We'll do some minor body work. We try to be a one-stop shop for all of our customers whenever they have an automotive need. They even call us when they have an automobile accident, because we're the people that they come to and trust. So we try to offer whatever service they need when it's automotive. My ultimate driver of whether we're successful or not is, are the cars repaired and are the customers happy? And is my business growing and are the customers coming back? I think from a consumer standpoint, that's what they care about.
Now you have top local certified mechanics, quality, reliability, and efficiency standards backed by the national power of NAPA. Just look for the NAPA AutoCare logo. NAPA AutoCare Centers. The parts you trust are now the shops you rely on.